Good morning, everyone. This is Kelly with Premier Life and Annuities, and we are here this morning with Brandon Borgstall from North American Companies. And with Life Insurance Awareness Month being the entire month of September, we wanted to focus on policy review with your clients. You know, what questions do you ask? What are the right words to look for? Because 3 of 5 households say they don't have enough life insurance. So we're going to go over some things today to hopefully make those numbers a little bit smaller. All right, Brandon, it's all yours.
Thank you so much, Kelly. My name is Brandon Borgstall. I am Sales Development Specialist at North American Company, and I appreciate the opportunity to jump on today. Today we're going to talk about policy review, jump through some right words, some right questions, because policy review, surprisingly enough, is really overlooked a lot of times by agents. And a lot of the really, I don't want to say good agents, but agents that do a lot of production, a lot of their production is coming from policy reviews. Because obviously in the business, we're looking to generate new clients, and what better area to really prospect than your current book of business. These are individuals, these clients are individuals who should already really value your opinion. And then as life goes on and life happens, their changes and their needs are going to change. So why not talk to those individuals and set up just reviews and go through their policies. And another great opportunity there is obviously getting some names of friends and whatnot of theirs to reach out to. But as their families get older, their children are going to go to college or go to the Army or do whatever. They're going to end up getting careers, and what better way to get additional opportunities than to have the opportunity to sit down with those children as they grow up to be men and women and have those professional careers and those needs that their parents maybe had 20 years ago. So that's another great way to look at it, at building that relationship, is the opportunity to grow your business with even their children. Prospecting, no one likes prospecting, or most don't like prospecting, cold calling, all that good stuff. It's expensive and requires a lot of time. And as we all know, time is money. So we got a number here, and I'm just going to throw it out there. According to Chartered Institute of Marketing, it's going to cost you 4 to 10 times more to acquire a new client than keep an old one. So why not jump into that pool of clients that you've already really shown your professionalism, your value, and everything that you can do for them. And also, when you make that sale, you don't want to be known as the agent that just kind of drops off and takes that commission and just kind of drops off with that insured. So why not do some policy review? So looking at some right words and whatnot, something that you can kind of say is, everything in our lives changes. It's going to change constantly. Every 3 to 5 years, most people experience significant change, be it job change, domestic partner change, more children or less children, children going to college, children graduating from college, and them are having that need arise, dependents moving in, new home, again, higher education costs. So these all require a thorough review of their financial plan, of your financial plan as you're talking to them. And this obviously does include life insurance. Some really straightforward, nice questions to kind of ask and really dig down into their situation is, are your existing policies adequate in amounts and type of coverage? This is obviously a very straightforward but necessary question. Life happens, needs change, and even products change as products become more and more creative, for lack of a better term. They might want to look at a new policy. Another question, do you have life insurance policy older than 5 years? Again, would you be interested in learning what innovations have developed in recent years that make even more financial benefits available to you? What's the big one nowadays? Living benefits. North American, we've got accelerated death benefit endorsement. This is obviously a great benefit, something that you can really sit down and talk to your current client base about these living benefits. Life insurance isn't necessarily just death benefit these days. You've got the living benefits of chronic, critical, and terminal, and this can provide that peace of mind to those insureds that they wouldn't have otherwise had unless they had a long-term care policy. And remember, these accelerated death benefit endorsements, they're built into the policy. So it's a situation where it's a pay-if-you-use-it endorsement. And that really speaks volumes to those clientele that don't have that long-term care and don't have a policy with an accelerated death benefit endorsement. So that's something you can really sit down and hammer out with them and really show the benefit of that.
Very true, Brandon. Another place I see those living benefits really coming into play are for those clients who say, I don't want life insurance. I'm not going to leave anything to my family. Those living benefits really come into play there, because then the life insurance can be used for them and not necessarily passed to their loved ones if that's not what they intend. So it's even for those clients who think they don't want life insurance.
Exactly. And that's a great point, Kelly, because like you said, a lot of people are stubborn. People are stubborn and they don't see the benefit of something, so why not bring additional benefits to the policy, which that living benefit, and then at the same time, you've got great policies that can build some cash accumulation and provide flexibility. Flexibility to the insured, flexibility to the client, and really gives them control, which you know, in my experience, most individuals out there want to have that control and have that mindset that they're really in charge. So giving them living benefits and cash accumulation opportunity is a beautiful thing, giving them that control. Another, and this is one that's been around for a long time, is are the beneficiary designations in your life policies consistent with your current will, family structure, and wishes? Again, and you'll probably get sick of me saying this, as time goes on, life happens, those change. Marriages, sometimes divorce happens, sometimes just some family situations happen, and the family structure is different than it was 10 years ago. Maybe your wishes change. Maybe you want to have that beneficiary be different. Maybe you want it to go to your grandchildren now that you've got a handful of grandchildren. Those change, and obviously just giving them the opportunity, or giving you the opportunity, this might be the foot in the door, talking about that, and then you can kind of build off that conversation. One of my favorite questions is, why did you buy your current policy? This is a really, really good way to get the foot in the door and talk about, well, geez, 10 years ago, 5 years ago, I bought this policy for X, but it really doesn't make sense anymore, so maybe I need to look at filling the need for Y. So again, that's a situation where maybe they're looking, currently they have just straight death benefit. They have a straight death benefit, they have young family, and they want to maybe look at a cash accumulation product. Maybe they want to look at an index universal life to build for that retirement. Maybe they want to look at some college funding for their children. This is just a great opportunity to look at those life changes as they happen and as they grow into different phases of their life. Just ask that question: why did you buy your current policy? And just kind of sit there and let them tell you, and then go at it from there. So that's really my favorite one. But we've got a couple more that I really like, and one is, if I could show you how to get more death benefit coverage without paying a higher premium, would you be interested? So this is a situation where maybe they're just focused on death benefit. They've got a policy that maybe has some surrender value, and you can 1035 that over into a new policy at North American. It'd be the custom guarantee. It's geared towards straight death benefit, guarantee through age 120. This is just a great way to show them what that surrender value can do for them. Maybe the cost of insurance charges and whatnot is just better on the custom guarantee or a straight universal life product than a product that's going to build you a little cash. Maybe they don't want that cash. Maybe they want to just focus on death benefit. And then another pretty straightforward question: would you like to see if you can get the same coverage you have today for less premium? Well, the answer in most situations, I'd imagine, would be yes. Why wouldn't you want to just save a few bucks, save some money, and really show that value for you as an agent to say, hey, do you know what? I'm here to save you some money, save you some premium, and we can do that with this. So that's a really nice way to do it. North American, we've got a great portfolio, but a couple products that really stand out when looking at this policy review is, I've talked about the custom guarantee. Custom guarantee, the name of the game there is death benefit. Death benefit through age 120, and it's going to be as low cost as you can possibly get for that death benefit. I sometimes like to call it guaranteed term, because really the name of the game is death benefit. Another product that, because you're going to be talking to individuals, they're going to have some cash accumulation, and they've already gotten through the surrender period. Maybe they don't want to have surrender charges with a new policy. Well, we can take care of that. At North American, we've got a Rapid Builder IUL, and what we can do there is add a waiver of surrender charge, so those surrender charges are waived. And that is just a really nice feature, again, because you're providing, what do people always want? That control. Control and peace of mind that what if they need to get to that cash? Well, here we go. We've got an opportunity in a feasible way to make sure you still have that access to that cash. And not only does the waiver of surrender charge provide that access, but it also has a waiver, or excuse me, a table shave option. So a table shave option up to table 3, as again, life happens. Sometimes life events happen, and maybe they're going to get rated to table 2 or table 3. Boom, we knock that down to a straight standard. So that's just a really nice way to provide, again, that control and peace of mind to your clients, and at the same time just showing your professionalism and your value to these individuals. So those are a couple really nice products that can really benefit your clients. And then obviously those accelerated death benefit endorsements are very nice. Kelly, do you have anything to add on that?
I think, talking with your clients, and even if your primary client base is Medicare clients, it's still really important to do those policy reviews and sit down and talk with those clients so that they know you can take care of all of their needs and not just take care of their Medicare needs. So many times we hear agents say, well, I had this Medicare client and somebody else came in and said they did life insurance, so then I lost them for everything because they didn't know I did this. And it's really letting your clients know you can take care of all of their needs, and then when you do the right thing for them with whether it's saving an old UL policy that might be getting, the cash value might be declining because it's paying all the premiums, and you can put them in something like the custom guarantee and paid up and have no more premiums, they're going to tell their friends. They're going to tell people they know what you did, and that's going to lead to more referrals and lead to more business for you. So policy review is very important in letting your clients know everything that you can help them with. Brandon, do you have anything that these agents can go out and look at so they can see some of the products that you were talking about?
Most definitely, and we're actually really excited. We really haven't seen anything like this in the industry as of yet. We've got a nice microsite. It's our marketing microsite that I'll provide the link to you, Kelly, and you can get out to everyone that's on the call today. And really the name of the game there is it's a one-stop shop. At North American, we're really looking to provide as much assistance and make ease of process for you as agents, just to get the information you need and want and deserve, really. So we've got all of our different sales concepts. We've got a great social media corner, which nowadays the social media is a big factor just in everything, really, in all honesty. So we've got a lot of information in regards to social media that you can just go out there, you can copy it, and you can just paste it into your Twitter account, your LinkedIn account. And this isn't information that's just grandstanding North American. This is just basic life insurance information on different life insurance stuff. Nothing that's necessarily directed towards North American. We're just trying to be an asset for you as an agent. We know how difficult it is to do what you do, so we want to just make it easy as possible. There's videos, there's consumer videos, there's agent videos for you, all the different marketing materials for all the different products. And again, it's just a one-stop shop. So we're really excited about it. And Kelly, I'll get that to you, and please feel free to get that to everybody on the call here today. You don't need a login. You just go out there and check it out and get what you need. You can print out PDFs and all that good stuff. So on that, and if you have any questions on that, please feel free to reach out to your marketer at Premier. But it's pretty straightforward, and I can even get out there and do it. So trust me when I say that it's really nice, and the ease of process is very convenient.
That is very true, Brandon. I've been out to that site, and if you are looking for product information, if you are looking for sales concepts, anything basically to broaden your knowledge, it's out there on that site. And it is an extremely nice site. And just give me a call here at Premier after the call's over here today, or one of our life marketers here, and we will definitely get that link out to you. If you've got some cases, as you've been listening to Brandon talk this morning, that you're like, oh, hey, I know this client I need to go see, and they've got this, we can certainly put together some options for you for those clients as well. You can reach us here at Premier. Our number is 800-365-8208, and just ask to speak to your life marketer, and we will be more than happy to help you. I don't see any questions other than folks asking about that URL for the web address. Please give us a call. I'll be more than happy to provide that to you. If you do have some questions that come up that you think of after the call's over, don't hesitate to reach out to us as well. And I don't see anything else. Brandon, do you have anything else?
No, I just want to thank everybody for your time. I know that's valuable. Just get out there, look at your book of business. Anything that's at least 3 to 5 years, give them a call, show that value, just really show them that you care and you're looking out for them. This isn't a call that you're cold calling. It's a call that you've already built that relationship. So just make sure you continue that relationship and continue to be that individual that adds value to what they're doing on the life insurance side, and making sure they're covered the way they need to be covered. So just the ease of process of the policy review, never forget it, and thank you everybody for your time. I appreciate it.
Thank you again, Brandon. Thanks everyone else, and have a great day, and finish Life Insurance Awareness Month strong.